You mentioned locking some people at a certain percentage. When in the process can you lock your rate, and what should people be looking out for, like taking action on their own to do that?
So this is a hot topic as well, right? Because people are out there. I have right now over 100 pre-approved clients, and I would say a solid 20% of them have contacted me over the past month to try and lock their rate. The negative is they don't have a home in mind. Okay. They're just out in the market. And the companies that I've worked for, you have to at least have a buyer signed contract and identify a property to lock your rate. You can't lock a rate on a pre-approval. Okay. I don't even know if there's some companies out there that do it. You know, I worked at one company. I think you were allowed to lock a rate as a pre-approval, but you had to flip the deal active within a specific period of time. You see what I mean? So you're kind of playing with fire in that sense, because if you have no property in mind whatsoever, and there's not much inventory out there, and you lock your rate and let's say leave a deposit with them, you're kind of setting yourself up to potentially lose that deposit. But the company where I work now, you have to at least identify a home and have a buyer sign contract for you to then lock your rate. Okay.
Okay, that makes sense. Like they won't give you the interest rate on something if the something isn't spoken for yet.
Well, yeah, exactly. Like, how do you lend money on something that on nothing? How do you put a loan on nothing?
Here you go. Use it. Use like whatever you want.
You know, we don't know what you're buying, but we're gonna say, yeah, okay, we'll give you a loan on it.